going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a great day. Well, today I was going to show you guys how to install some MaxpeedingRods coilovers on a 2006 Honda Accord, but unfortunately things went wrong. Alright, so like I just said, the MaxpeedingRods coilover did not fit this Honda Accord, and I don't know if you guys remember, a few months back I posted a video on I was trying to install some Rev 9 coilovers on my 2004 Lexus GS, and I had a lot of issues with those as well. And then just sending those back because they were just faulty. They're making a lot of noise, and the height adjustment was just way unsafe. And a lot of you guys said that you guys love your Rev 9 coilovers. And you know what? For your application, maybe it works, but for the GS300, it did not work for me, guys. It had bad results. So MaxpeedingRods actually sent me some coilovers over for a 2006 Honda Accord, and today we're going to install them. We were going to install them on my buddy's 2006 Honda Accord, and from the first one we went to go and install, we already ran into an issues and we could not install this. I'm going to show you guys what ended up happening. Alright guys, we got Derek here. He brought over his 2006?
2006, yeah.
2006 Honda Accord. We are going to be installing some MaxpeedingRods coilovers here that he brought over, and shouldn't be too hard.
They're heavy.
They're heavy. Yeah, it's 4 of them, so it's gonna be pretty heavy. But yeah, these shouldn't be too hard to do. Take a look at what we got going on here. Take a look at what's out of the box here. Derek, we shouldn't need very much of anything because I have a lot of tools here too. Derek ended up to bring his own tools.
I'll bring whatever we need.
Make it a little easier for us. I do have a lot of tools here, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood. Should we start in the front or do the back? Do the front first?
The front. The front's easier.
Okay, we'll do the front first, and then we'll jump to the back. All right.
17mm. The bolt and that 17.
Nice.
Here comes the front part. You gotta separate it from the strut while leaving all the suspension still there.
Dude, that came out like butter.
Yep. There you go.
There's a fork, so we need to reuse that on the new coilover.
Yep.
Now what we're gonna do now is just unbolt it from the top, and
that's it. We just unbolt the harness, let it hang, brake hose hang, and then
yeah, it's simple.
The top bolt, bottom bolt.
That was too easy.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Wow. Just gonna have to hold the shock so they don't fall down now.
Nah, just let it fall.
Oh. Watch your feet. So we already ran into an issue. How do we put you just slipped the coilover in, not even bolted on the back, on the bottom yet, and we just noticed that the top half is not going to work because, as you can see, the Allen screws on top are bottoming out on top of the strut tower here, and there should be coming through here, but they're not. So there's just no way. You could bolt this down, but it's not going to be bolting down flush. It's just not going to work. These should be coming through the hole. As you can see, it's really close, but yeah, that's not going to work. It's going to make a lot of noise because you're not tying it down flat on top of the strut mount. So wow, yeah, as you can see on the factory one, it's flush. This is where it's really bolting to. So yeah, it's not gonna work, and you definitely don't want to cut up your strut tower because this is structural. This is basically what's holding up your whole front end. But it's a fail.
Super fail.
Well, at least we did the front, and we didn't start with the back. If we would have started with the back, and the back would have been fine, we would have been pretty pissed because now we're gonna have to come back out. But luckily, this is the first side, and the only side we actually started on. So these are going back to MaxpeedingRod, or
hopefully they can send us a revision.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they sell something different because these are made for a 06 Accord. That's what they send them for. and they're not gonna work. That's just not gonna work. So yeah, I'm gonna send them back, or see if they can send us something different that's gonna work. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days and I've been kind of in contact with MaxpeedingRods, and we've been trying to figure out what happened with these coilovers, and what we ended up finding out was they accidentally sent me the wrong ones, which is obvious because these didn't work. But they did make a redesigned version of these coilovers, so the new ones they're actually sending me just the upper strut mounts for the front. The rear ones are fine, which the front upper strut mounts will eliminate these Allen bolts here, and it'll look basically exactly the same minus these Allen heads here. One thing I also want to mention, guys, one thing we did find out before we installed these is 3 out of the 4 coilovers, the upper strut nut here was loose, so that shouldn't be loose. That should be actually pretty tight from when they come in the mail. So I kind of want to I really want to make this video just kind of give you guys an idea of what to expect when you're going with a budget-friendly coilover, like eBay or MaxpeedingRods or anything in that matter. Anything that's less than $500, expect to find something wrong with the coilovers. Hopefully not. I mean, a lot of you guys probably have had really good experiences, and if you have, please put it in the comments down below. I should be getting these upper strut mounts here soon, so we'll make that video as far as the ride quality and how they are on the car. So that should be coming up soon, guys, but I just wanted to make this video to kind of give you guys an idea of what to expect, or what you could expect when you get these, and what to look out for, because some of you guys who are not experienced as far as like installing coilovers or struts would have maybe not caught that, and these things could have been pretty dangerous going down the road, and could have led to some really serious problems. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.